Since purchasing Avanti neurons for ITSM, Remote Peak Hotel has used the out-of-the-box incident survey to gather data on the quality of service provided by the service desk team. However, the service desk manager recently reached out to Matt and asked him to create a new, shorter version of the current incident survey that includes a few questions from the original incident survey in addition to a few new ones. To get started, open the Configuration console and select Surveys under Communication Templates. You are presented with the survey workspace. Next, click Create a new survey. The Survey Properties window appears. This contains some basic configurables for the new survey like survey title, style, description, various messages for survey recipients, and an expiration date feature. After filling out several fields, click Save. The new incident survey is created, but you still need to add your questions. To do so, click the Add Questions link. An Add Question window appears. The first option available is the question type. There are 4 question types available in Avanti neurons for ITSM: text, essay, radio button, and checkbox. The text and essay question options both allow respondents to type out their answer, with the text option restricting the answer space to 1 line and the essay option allowing longer responses. The radio button and checkbox options provide previously defined answers to select from, with the checkbox option allowing for multiple answers, and the radio button restricting respondents to 1 answer. For the first question, select the radio button question type. Next, type in the question. How would you rate the technician's overall knowledge of your problem or question? The next configuration option available is Answer Required. This requires the respondent to answer the question before submitting the survey. The service desk team doesn't want to strong-arm survey recipients into answering questions, so leave the box unticked. Next is the question category. This feature is useful for categorizing questions for future analysis. Avanti neurons for ITSM already comes with several out-of-the-box categories, but admins have the option to create additional categories as well. After selecting your desired category for this question, begin writing out the answers. The Answers area is where an admin writes out the possible answers for a question and is only used for radio button or checkbox questions. Given that this question is asking respondents to rate the knowledge of the technician that helped resolve their incident, write out 6 possible answers on each line. Excellent, very good, good, fair, poor, and don't know or not applicable. You can also assign a weight or numeric value to each answer. Out of the box, the weight scale is 1 to 5, with 5 being the best or highest score, and 1 being the worst or lowest score. This weighted data is used for measuring various survey metrics. To finish, click Save. After saving, you are redirected to the main page of the survey workspace and can see your new question. After building the rest of the survey questions, click the Preview option to preview what a survey recipient will see. After reviewing each page of the survey, click back to Survey Editor. After returning to the survey list, take the first step in activating the survey by clicking Start next to your new survey. The second step requires you to update the global constant. After opening the global constant workspace from the Settings menu, locate the item default survey name. Delete the existing text and replace it with the name of your new survey, Incident Survey. Doing so tells the system that this is the survey to be used for incidents. Next, adjust the frequency of how often your new survey gets sent out. Locate the Incident Survey FREQ item and change the value from 5 to 7. This dictates that a survey will be sent out every 7th incident record once the incident is closed. Then click Save to finalize your changes. To cover all your bases, the last step you need to take is to make sure the Incident Survey workflow is activated. Open the Workflows tab in the Incident Business object and select the Incident Survey workflow. You can see that the workflow is highlighted green and not grayed out, meaning that this workflow is published and active.